Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of investments. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the investment pool or someone seeking to diversify their portfolio, this video is for you. We'll be covering the basics of various investment options and, most importantly, providing you with valuable steps to help you make informed investment decisions. Segment 1. Understanding investment basics. Before we delve into the different investment options, it's essential to grasp the basics. Investment is the process of allocating your money into assets with the expectation of generating income or profit over time. The first step in this journey is setting clear financial goals and determining your risk tolerance. This will help you identify the most suitable investments for your unique circumstances. Segment 2. Cash and cash equivalents. Let's begin with the most liquid and low-risk investment options, cash and cash equivalents. These include savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, and money market funds. Cash investments offer security and easy access to your funds. However, returns are generally lower compared to other options. Segment 3. Stock market investing. If you're looking for the potential for higher returns, the stock market might be your playground. Investing in stocks means buying shares of ownership in a company. While stocks can be volatile in the short term, historically, they have provided substantial returns over the long run. It's crucial to research and diversify your stock portfolio to mitigate risks. Segment 4. Bond investing. Bonds are another investment option to consider. They are essentially loans that you provide to governments or corporations in exchange for periodic interest payments and the return of your principal when the bond matures. Bonds are generally less risky than stocks and can provide a steady stream of income, making them suitable for income-oriented investors. Segment 5. Real estate investments. Real estate is a tangible investment that includes properties like residential homes, commercial buildings, and real estate investment trusts, REITs. Real estate investments can offer rental income and potential appreciation in property value. Diversifying your portfolio with real estate can provide stability and a hedge against inflation. Segment 6. Mutual funds and ETFs. For those who want a diversified investment approach without picking individual stocks or bonds, mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are excellent options. These investment vehicles pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They offer professional management and instant diversification. Segment 7. The importance of diversification. Now that we've explored various investment options, let's discuss a crucial step in making investments that work: diversification. Diversifying your portfolio means spreading your investments across different asset classes, reducing the impact of poor performance in any single investment. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Segment 8. Risk management. Another critical step is managing risk. While higher risk investments may offer greater potential rewards, they also come with a higher chance of losing money. Assess your risk tolerance and choose investments that align with your comfort level. Maintaining a well-balanced portfolio can help you weather market fluctuations. Segment 9. Long-term perspective. Patience is key to successful investing. Markets can be unpredictable in the short term, but historically, they have trended upwards over the long haul. Consider your investment goals and time horizon, and resist the urge to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Segment 10. Consulting financial advisors. Finally, consider seeking advice from financial advisors. They can provide personalized guidance based on your financial situation and goals. A professional can help you create a well-thought-out investment strategy and make informed decisions. In conclusion, Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time, but it's essential to understand the various options and take prudent steps to ensure your investments work for you. Remember to diversify, manage risk, maintain a long-term perspective, and consider consulting with financial experts. Whether you're interested in stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, the world of investing offers a wide range of opportunities. So, start your investment journey today, and watch your financial future flourish. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on finance and investments. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.